Hey guys, in this video I want to do a few more examples using a Python rich. So let's review a few things that we did. So let's go over. So this is how you would use the rich to do a print. Run it. And then this is how you would do. And for the progress bars, I covered these examples in my previous video, link in the description, but we want to do something different today. So let's create a simple CLI app that modify the ls. I'm using exa. Exa is a pretty cool command. Let's go back to our Python tutorial. So let's call it ls rich. Just gonna import os from rich.console. We're gonna import console from rich.table. We're gonna import table. We don't really need text. I'm gonna find this directory contents, and then we're gonna do our own. Okay, so okay, name size. I don't need the title, and I don't need to show the lines. Instead, I need to show the header. Let's do some style. Yeah, full magenta. It's not bad. Okay, don't need part. Let's keep it width 40. $12. $20. So should be type. Okay, we have console. We created a table. Okay. Most of the time autocomplete is good, but sometimes yeah, see, this is pretty good, but too much. This is not how I want to do it. Okay. Anyway, let's call it entries directory. This is fine. For each entry in entries, I'm gonna do full part this directory again. I mean, it's not wrong, but just want to keep it simple for this example. With part get size full part. file type to file, and this is fine. Okay, this is good, but here you want to change typecast it to string. Okay, and then we can print the console. Okay. So this is a normal ls, and let's try our ls rich. So here's our new ls using Python rich. Alright, I guess that's it for this video, and thanks for checking out. And if you find this useful, please like and comment.